So I just decided to do a little video just to explain how to use the mockups when they are in Photoshop. So if you have the Photoshop, basically you just need to open your file. You're gonna see here, let's say your design here. So you just double click in this layer 2 times, then remove this one. You can just drag and push inside here. Just adjust. When you adjust, always press shift. If not, what will happen is like it will destroy. So always press shift, enter, and then you do Command S or Control S. Or if you prefer, you can just click in save. Go back and it will appear here. And then you just put export as PNG, or you can export as JPEG. If you don't have Photoshop, there is a free website called Photopea. So you just open your file as well. And it's exactly the same process. So you just double click, you just push and drag your file, adjust again, pressing shift, enter, and then Command S. Or you just go here and go save, and then when you go back it says already inside, and then you just go export as JPEG, and that's it.